Hey Divas, what's up? It's your girl Diva and welcome back to the House of Glam TV. So, it's that time of the month again and we're talking subscription boxes. So I not only have my BoxyCharm, my Sephora Play, but I literally just got in this month's Allure box. So we're going to dive right in and talk subscriptions. Alright though, so I'm back. Y'all see my sweater, it says hello. This is from Old Navy. If y'all guys don't know by now, your girl works part-time at Old Navy. So a lot of the pieces you will ever see me in on my channel are all from Old Navy. If you guys ever want to see a little mini fashion haul from Old Navy, let me know, comment down below. I'll try to bring out some cute pieces whenever I get new things, because I kind of pick up things just about every week now, especially since I've been losing weight. And because it's colder, I'm into the whole sweatshirt vibe. So your girl likes to be cute and comfy all at the same time. But let's dive in. So of course, as always, we're going to dive into Sephora Play. So there's no need for me to tell y'all about this. If y'all have not watched any of my Sephora Play subscription box videos, you've been missing out. So this month, of course, is all about the holidays and of course talking about the whole year, of course. And it's the playlist of 2018 is what the card says. Of course, you get a card to go in and shop with Sephora, where you get extra 50 points every time you buy something. Well, when you buy something during that month with the card, and then of course you get to get a beauty tip whenever you go into the store. Now, I don't know if I like this month's box. I've had December boxes that were way nicer than this. This is that same plastic again this month. I don't even know where my other one is at. But it's the same plastic again this month. This one just has, it says play on it with lips. And I'm like, well, y'all just being cheap for this month, because December's box, the bag used to just be really, really pretty for December. This, not feeling. So let's go into it. So the first item that you're going to pull out of yours, if you got the same things that I got, is from Bumble and Bumble, and it's their Dry Spun Texture Spray. I have so much of this stuff, is unbelievable. So this is something that eventually I'll get around to using. The next item, I believe, is another hair care item, and it's from Marijo Hair Care. It's their 3-in-1 finishing spray. Volume, control, and hold. I guess I can give these items a try, since, you know, this ain't mine. I mean, it's mine, but it ain't mine. Y'all know my hair ain't this long, or I don't change hair colors this often. Y'all know I change hair colors if I can, as much as possible. But yeah, maybe I could just use it on my units and just not on my hair, but we'll see. So the next item is this Rouge Gel Lip Liner, and it's from the Sephora collection. This is in the color, does it say what color it is? Is Nothing But Nude. So this should be cool, because I'm usually looking for a nude that I could rock with my nude lipsticks or something. So this is nice. The next item is from Fresh Sugar, and it's their Lip Caramel Hydrating Balm. So this is something I'm definitely going to be interested in using. The hair stuff, not so much. Not, at least not this month. But this is something I'll be interested in trying, and they make great products. The next item is from Too Faced, and it's their Primed and Peachy Cooling Matte Skin Perfecting Primer. So I've never tried anything from the Peach collection, so I can't wait to try this. And I'm always looking for a good primer. The last item from this box is from Tarte, and it's their Lights Camera Lashes Mascara. Now, isn't this funny, because I have tons of samples, and I probably should have just used up my sample mascara. I just bought mascara from the VIB sale, but I keep these as backup, so this is perfect. I've never tried any of the Tarte mascara, so this should be fun. So let's dive into BoxyCharm. Alright, so this month's BoxyCharm, so lit. And if I had spent the extra coin, I might have gotten a Luxy box upgrade, which has some really great items in that. But BoxyCharm, so far, I'm feeling you. You're a little expensive, but I might keep you a little bit longer. So this month is the Season box, and you get an item from Tarte, Bodyography, Pretty Vulgar, Cosmetics, and Suva Beauty. So let's dive in because my battery is trying to play me right now. So the first item I'm going to put out is from Pretty Vulgar, and this is their Powder Room Matte About It Translucent Setting Powder. I've actually never really heard of this brand. I probably have, but never really paid it any attention. So I can't wait to try another setting powder to add to my collection. I believe it says this powder is, what is the normal price for the powder? It's $32 for this powder. So that's a little on the pricey side, but can't wait to give this a try. The next item in here is a Tarte's from Tarte Shimmering Lip Paint, and this is in the color Insta Famous. So I don't own any Tarte lippies. I have some samples that I've tried, of course, but I don't have any full-blown Tarte lippies. So this looks really pretty. It has like some glitters in it and everything. So this looks like it's going to be really nice to wear. And the price for this is, let's see, $20. So not anything different like an Anastasia lipstick that goes for $20 or a Kat Von D, and I have quite a few of those. The next is from Bodyography, and it's their Heatherberry Lip Pencil. So I can't wait to try this, and this will go probably really nice with that lippy from Tarte. The price on that is $12, so not bad. So this next item is from Cosmetics, and it's their Detox Activated Charcoal Mask. This seems like it's going to be a good item to try, so I can't wait to try this out. I've been into masks and stuff lately, trying to get my skin really cute and hydrated and keeping it from being dry during the winter time. So I can't wait to give that a try. Hi, baby.
Is that flamingos?
Yes, it's flamingos.
I love flamingos.
You like flamingos? Somebody's trying to invade on the video, so let me try to wrap this up. So that item from Cosmetics is $30 retail price.
$30?
Yes, $30.
We didn't have $30.
I didn't have to spend $30. So this last item is from Suva Beauty, and it's their palette and Protégé. It is an eyeshadow palette, and this palette costs
Flamingos.
$34. So this is the second palette that I've got in my BoxyCharm box. This one is actually really pretty, and the colors in here are absolutely gorgeous. My light is not doing this any justice, but it's really pretty. It looks like you get 2 highlight shades and 6 shadows. If I look at it,
shadows?
There are 4 matte shadows and 2 shimmer shadows. So I can't wait to give this a try along with the one from last month's box. Now BoxyCharm box is $21 a month. You get about $100 worth of product, all for $21, and they're full size items. So if you're interested in a subscription box that gives you full size items, definitely check out BoxyCharm because you're gonna get your best bang for your buck. Let's dive into the last box, and this box I could not wait to open, to the point that I literally just got it and I haven't even opened it. So let's get to Allure. Alright guys, so Allure is $15 a month, and it's curated of course by Allure Beauty magazine. This month, if you sign up for Allure box, you can actually get it for $7.50, and you are going to want to get this box because it was created by none other than YouTube's own Nikki Tutorial. If you guys don't know who Nikki Tutorial is, log into your YouTube. You're probably logged in already, but Google her name, check her out, punch in Nikki Tutorial, and you'll find all of her amazing tutorials or her collabs. Anything you want to know about her, you'll find out. So the first item is from Neutrogena, and it's a makeup remover cleansing towelette. It's a single one, so this is great to toss in your purse. This will be great like if I'm going to the gym after work, when I'm leaving the bank and it's early. Usually like my 8:30 1 o'clock days where I get off at like 1. I can get to the gym by like 1:30 or 2. I can wipe off all my makeup, get that workout in, and then come home and take a shower and fully cleanse my face. But this is perfect. The next item, this was one of the reasons why I wanted it, but I thought it was going to be a regular full-size one. It looks like a little travel size one, and it's the Nubian palette from Juvia's Place. This, I've been dying to try this out, and I know now they carry them at Ulta, so I might have to take a trip over to Ulta to pick up their palettes. But it's a little mini-sized version of the palette, and it comes with all the pretty shadows that are in the big one. So, and of course, these are pressed pigments, and pressed pigments and eyeshadow. So this is going to be bomb, and I love the neutral colors in here. Can't wait to try this out. So I've been dying to try this out. The next item in here is from NYX, and it's their lingerie liquid, looks like liquid lipstick, in the color Cabaret Show. So I can't wait to try this. It looks like it has like a nudes kind of sparkle to it. It's kind of like a bubble going around there. I don't know what's going on. The next item is from Ren, and it's their Evercalm Overnight Recovery Balm. So this is not something I've ever tried before, but I'm willing to give this a try. The next item is from LA Splash, and it's their Architect Slim Waterproof Eyeliner, liquid eyeliner. Love these. So, and I needed a new one. And the last item, of course, is something that was a collab with Nikki Tutorials, and it's the Ofra Cosmetics highlighter that Nikki and them did. If I could get the bubble wrap off, would be bomb. They wrapped this up securely, which was really nice. And it's their highlighter in Everglow, and this was the collab with them and Nikki. So I'm really glad to receive that. And it's 3 highlighters in one, so I can't wait to use this. So that was all 3 boxes. This month's boxes were on point. Sephora, your packaging should have been a whole lot better for this month, because it is almost the end of the year, about to go into a new year. I felt like your packaging should have been way better. You've had way better bags than before. Going into the end of the year, hopefully in the new year you come out with something hot. But BoxyCharm, I can't wait to see what you guys come out with for January. And Allure Beauty, this new Nikki Tutorials box was off the chain. I'm so glad I got it. So I will post the prices of each of the boxes down below. You can sign up for each of the boxes. You can try it out for a month, or unsubscribe after a while. It's up to you. But these are the 3 that I'm into right now, and maybe we'll see what we get for the new year. Maybe I'll add another one. Maybe I'll get rid of something. Who knows? If you're new to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button, because you don't want to miss out anything here that goes on in the House of Glam TV. Hit that notification bell. This way you get notifications every time I upload a new video. To my oldie but goodie dolls, thank you guys so much for rocking out with me. You guys are absolutely amazing. And until the next time, my fabulous divas, have a happy, merry Christmas and a bomb fabulous new year. I'll see you guys in the new year with more fabulous videos. I love you guys. From my family to yours, have a Merry Christmas. Bye.